Hey guys, this is Wendy from Wendy's Eating Show. If you're new here, welcome. And look what I'm having today. I am having Indian food, and oh my gosh. So let me tell you my experience. When I walked in the Indian restaurant, I felt like they made you feel like you are an important person. They made you feel like home. They welcome you like I don't know, it was like the best customer service ever. Like, customer service, it was the best service ever. So is that how you say service? It's because I'm thinking like, because I just called customer service for something, but but yeah, you guys, it was like amazing. Like, it was the first time I've ever met Indian people, and they were the friendliest, most helpful person ever, like, I've ever met. And they guide me through like all their dishes, and I know that like they're fresh. It's so fresh that they don't just like warm things up. Like, they ask you like, oh, what is the, like, how spicy do you want it? And I was like, is it too spicy? He was like, well, from 1 to 10, like, how much? I was like, well, in between. And then they made it like right there in the restaurant, and it was like the best service ever. And I have a beet drink over here. So amazing. And let me just run through the receipt so you guys know what I got. So I got lamb Tarkari, which is this right here. I got Samosa, which are these beautiful things right here. And then I got chicken Tandoori, which is, you guys can't really see, but it is this chicken right here. And then I also got Daal Soup, and then I believe it was the lentil soup. So, oh, and then the naan. I got the garlic and herb or herb, however you guys pronounce it. I say herb. Naan. So this is it, and I paid. This was the first amount right here, 41.36, and then I purchased this separately. So let me just show you so you can get like an idea of how much are the prices. Can you see? So it was like the naan was like $3, so roughly $45 for this. So and it was like a bigger, this one. Let me see if I can reach it. So they gave me this much of rice, and then the amount for the chicken, it was roughly like I'd say like 7 pieces, I want to say, plus all these vegetables. And then this was the amount for the lamb, which was the priciest item I got. And then here is the dal soup and the lentil soup are right here. So just so you guys get an idea. And oh my gosh, I knew I was going to love them, because when I saw basmati rice, I was like, ooh, that is me. I love basmati rice. You guys know that we use basmati rice. And this is the, what did I say? The tandoori. This is a tandoori chicken, and it is basically like grilled chicken. It is so delicious. What is it? You guys, let me tell you, this video, por un pelito de rana, was not gonna happen. I was this close to not making this video, you guys. You guys won't believe why. Oh my god, this is amazing. Like I said, since I walked in, I already knew I was gonna love that place. So this is their naan. So, but yeah, you guys, like I'm saying, I was this close to not making this video, and I was like, oh my gosh. Okay, so let me tell you, because wow, wow, I'm impressed. The lamb, I haven't had lamb for how long? For years, I think. So yeah, we ordered our food. I was so excited. I was even Snapchatting like the restaurant. Oh my gosh, look at the basmati rice. So I was even Snapchatting, like I was so excited to do this video. And we go to our truck and we turn the key a little bit. The whole car shut down. I was like, are you kidding me? Please don't tell me this is happening. Please don't tell me. Because I had my big bag with food. I was like so excited to go home and do this video. The car died on us. We were far from the house, you guys. We were far from the house. My mom, I didn't bring my cell phone. My mom's cell phone was about to die. My dad was working. I was like, there's no way this video is gonna happen tonight. And I was like, I just paid a good amount for this food. And I was already like upset, you guys. I was thinking like, oh my gosh, what's wrong with the car? Why did it shut down? I was thinking like, what could be the problem? Because it has a new battery. I checked the water, checked the oil. I checked my car. So I was like, ugh, I was stressing. I was like, and then I couldn't Snapchat because we needed the last percent of battery so we could call my dad. Let me open this and let her know where we were at. So, and my mom had to go to the restroom. She had to go pee pee. Que así andaba. So, let me see which one is this one. I think this is the Daal Soup. My god, you guys. They use spices that, oh my gosh. That will blow your mind away. And then this is mine, you guys, okay? So don't worry if I like sip through it. So, and then this is the this is the lentil one, I think. They look really similar. Oh yeah, yeah, my mom had to pee, and I was like, we'll go back to the Indian restaurant and let them know the situation. Like, look, we were about to leave, but our car broke down, and I really need to use the restroom. I told my mom to go. I was like, don't hold it in. So, Mm, mm, mm. Best rice ever, basmati rice. So, my mom goes back inside. Mm. And everybody came out. Mm. There was there was a lady, her son, the one that took our order. The lady's son took our order, and then there was a Mexican worker there, so that made it even like, oh my gosh, it was, I'm telling you guys, it was like the best experience ever, because we had a Mexican worker that we could talk to him in Spanish, and he can like tell us what other food he recommends and stuff like that. So it was like perfect. So I see everybody coming out, and I was like, oh my gosh, what happened? And then the guy like, the guy is like a really handsome Indian guy. Like, I thought he was really handsome. So he comes over. He's like, what's wrong? I was like, my car doesn't want to start up. And the hood was already up. And he went to the battery. And he shook like the battery. And the lights started coming back up. There. Like, everything came back up. Oh my gosh. You guys don't know how I felt right there. I wanted to like not harass him. I was like, how do you say it? Like, I wanted to like pat his back and say like, oh my gosh, thank you so much for coming and helping us, because he had like, no, I don't think he would have done that anyways, because like I said, like when we walked in there, they were already like super friendly. My mom told me that when she went back in there and she told them that our car had broke down, he was like, my mom told me that they were telling her if she had the jump starters, and if we didn't, that they could jump start our car, they were gonna help us. And I was like, wow, they said that. Like, they are amazing people. They deserve everything in life. So the guy came out, he moved my battery, because they became loose. Let me try these. They gave me like a little sauce with it, so let me try it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You never tried Indian food, you have to go now. Well, if it's 1, 2 in the morning, wait. So, yeah, the guy told me, oh, it's because sometimes, like, the battery, you know what hooks the battery, the positive and the negative, sometimes they come loose. Or you just have to, like, shake it and move it. And I was so grateful. I was already thinking, like, how are we gonna get home? how are we gonna get home? How much am I gonna have to pay for the tow truck? They have to take it all the way to my house. The food. I was already. And you know what is so funny? That I was just talking to a friend. I was just telling her, like, how us as human, we stress out, like, we stress unnecessary stress. And that is so true, because I'm gonna give you a few examples. Like today with this, I was giving myself unnecessary stress because I was thinking, like, oh, how much I'm gonna pay for the tow truck? Am I gonna have enough, like, on my purse? What else am I gonna have to fix in the truck? Like, I'm already dealing with the window thing, and it's just like little details like that it's pricey, like, to fix stuff like that, especially like if it's your car's electric. It's pricey. You have to get like a specialist that deals with all that. You just can't go to a mechanic, because mechanic deals with like certain stuff, and the electric guy deals with like specifically electric things. So I was giving myself all this stress. My mom walked in the restaurant. They came to our aid, and everything was fixed like in 30 seconds. Like, he moved the battery, the truck's, like, he turned on my truck, and it was up again. So I was like, wow, like, I just gave myself unnecessary stress that shouldn't have happened. Another example was when my mom had an appointment to go. It was like a ceremony. It was a ceremony. They gave everybody a letter out to be there at 8. It was 8. I was going to say 7:30, but it was 8. To be there at 8, and that time when we had that important ceremony, we had a different car that broke down on us, and they were fixing it, so we had no car to use. We had to use public transportation. And out of all the times, like, the trolley had to break down. Like, when we got to the trolley stop, they announced on the speaker, they're like, the trolley is having mechanical issues, or I don't know what they said exactly. Oh my god, this lamb is so delicious. Me and my mom, like, turned around and looked at ourselves like, are you kidding me? It was the most stressful day of our lives. It was the most stressful day of our life. We had no other way to go than on the trolley. We were already thinking, should we go walking? But it was far. Like, if we went walking, it was going to be like an hour to get there. Let me drink some of my beet water. I turned to like 3 beautiful colors. Like, right now it's settling the color, but it was like a darkish light purple, and then like this foam. It was like the most beautiful color. So we were stressing so much. We had to call our dad. My dad. He was working. he was working and we had to call him. He had to get out of his job, his work, to come and rescue us. And guess what? He take us to the ceremony and people were still in line. Like, it was like maybe 9. I think it was already like 9 an hour later. The doors haven't still opened yet. The doors didn't even open till almost 10 a.m. you guys. That was the other example I wanted to give you guys. Like, we as humans stress. We do unnecessary stress every day in our lives that shouldn't even be happening. Like, today was an example. My mom's ceremony day was an example. And there's like a lot of other things. Excuse me. Oh my gosh. Look at my paint. So, this thing is so delicious. The naan bread. So yeah, guys, like, I need to learn that to myself and keep repeating it, and like keep repeating it to my friends, my family, so that I can practice that too, because we need to think positive. We can't be thinking negatively all the time. We need to wake up positively. We need to think positive ourselves. You guys know where I'm talking, like where I'm going? This food is so delicious. So how was your day, you guys? Here in San Diego, it was another beautiful, hot, sunny day. Who has eaten oh my gosh, look at my makeup. Who has eaten Indian rice before? Indian rice, Indian food. Do you guys recommend any other dish? Because I plan on going back. What is that? So, you guys let me know what I just told you guys. So refreshing. I blended the whole beet, but the skin. In India, traditionally, they eat their food with their hands. I like to eat my food with my hands. Like it's for some reason it's tastier. Like like if I would eat the rice with my hand, but since I'm not used to it, like I'm not used to it, huh? That's why I'm using a spoon, but if I could, I would too. Oh yeah, you guys. The sauce is amazing, like amazing flavors. One of the best food I've ever had in my life. Let me go to comment of today. It's a little bit hot right now. This comment goes to Cherish Isabella. Says, I love that water. It looks so delicious. You are really creative with your drinks and the presentation is beautiful. Oh, I need to burp. Excuse me, pardon. So, you have such a beautiful name, Cherish. Is that how you pronounce it? Cherish Isabella? That is really beautiful. So, I love making my drinks. I don't know why. How do I come up with like the presentation? I'm just like, oh, I should do this. Like at the moment, I'm like, oh, let me do this and let me do that. Like, I have a creative mind. Like I think so. So thank you so much for that lovely comment. You could be the comment of the day too. All you have to do is comment down below. You could be next. So don't forget to like this video. A big like, because oh my gosh, Indian people are amazing. Let me just tell you, if you're, I don't know, I know there's a lot of people who are amazing, but I've never felt like, I felt like I was family. I feel like, I don't know, you guys will never understand, but just get my word for this. Like I felt special to be there and it was amazing. So yes, you guys go ahead and try this and share with your friends and family. Subscribe to Wendy's Eating Show and I'll see you on the next one. So bye.